Hey there, future financial freedom fighters! Do you have a mountain of student loans that feels never ending? Well, grab a coffee because I've got some tips to help you pay off those loans fast and have a little fun while you're at it. First up, let's talk about side hustles. No, I'm not talking about selling your soul to the night shift at a fast food joint. How about something you enjoy? Love pets? Become a dog walker or pet sitter? Obsessed with crafts? Start an Etsy shop. There's even apps that pay you to take grocery pictures. Find something that makes you smile while patting that bank account. Next, let's get thrifty. Literally. Thrift shopping isn't just for hipsters. It's a goldmine for saving cash. Swap out your regular shopping splurges for thrift finds, and bam! Extra cash to throw at those student loans. Plus, who doesn't love a good bargain hunt? It's like a treasure hunt, but for adults. Okay, it's time for the big guns. The debt snowball or avalanche method. Sounds fancy, right? Here's the lowdown. With the snowball method, you pay off your smallest loan first while making minimum payments on the rest. Once that's done, you move on to the next smallest. It's all about momentum, baby. And the avalanche? Start with the loan with the highest interest rate. More savings in the long run. Pick your weapon and start slashing that debt. Want to make it even more fun? Turn it into a game. Use apps like undebt.it or Debt Payoff Planner. They let you track your progress and celebrate small victories. It's like leveling up in your favorite video game, but with real-life rewards. And here's a little secret weapon: autopay. Many student loan companies offer a small interest rate discount if you set up automatic payments. It's like getting free money just for being organized. Sign me up. Now let's not forget about budgeting. Yeah, I know, it sounds boring, but stick with me. Budgeting doesn't have to be a drag. Use apps like Mint or YNAB to make it easy and even kind of fun. Track your spending, find areas to cut back, and watch those savings grow. Boom! More money to throw at those loans. Last but not least, reward yourself. Paying off debt is hard work, and you deserve a treat now and then. Set small milestones and celebrate each one. It could be as simple as a fancy coffee or a night out with friends. Just make sure it's within your budget. So there you have it, folks. Paying off student loans doesn't have to be a soul-crushing experience. With a little creativity, some side hustles, and a solid plan, you'll be debt-free and loving life in no time. Now go out there and conquer those loans. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tips on living your best financial life. See you next time.